In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to log in to your Typeform account. Whether you're new to Typeform or just need a quick refresher, this video will help you access your account with ease. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Now, type in typeform.com in the address bar and hit enter. You should see the Typeform homepage load up on your screen. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the login button. This is situated conveniently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the login options for you to choose from. Typeform offers several methods to log in, catering to different preferences and accounts. Now, you have a choice. You can log in using your Google account, which is super simple if you prefer integrating with Google services. Alternatively, you can choose to log in with your Microsoft account. This is a great option if you are already using Microsoft's suite of tools and want to keep everything streamlined. If neither of these options suit your needs, you can always opt to log in using your email. For this, simply enter your email address and password associated with your Typeform account. Remember to ensure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password link available to help you reset it. Once you've selected your preferred login method and entered your credentials, click on the login button. If everything is in order, you should now be directed to your Typeform dashboard, where you can start creating or managing your forms. Logging in is a straightforward process, but here are a couple of tips to make it even smoother. First, if you frequently use Typeform, consider bookmarking the login page for quicker access. This can save you a few seconds every time you need to log in. Also, if you're using a personal device, think about allowing your browser to save your login details. This way, you won't have to type them in every time. And there you have it. You've just learned how to log into your Typeform account quickly and efficiently. By following these simple steps, you can easily access your account and get started with your projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.